Jacobi's coconut shell activated carbon comes from Natandia, Sri Lanka. From the most modern and technologically advanced coconut shell carbon plant in the world, this facility produces the highest quality coconut shell activated carbon available. Let's take a look at the process that makes this possible. Sri Lanka is widely known for having the best coconut shell for activated carbon manufacturing. First, coconuts are harvested by hand and stockpiled at local plantations. There, the coconuts are stripped of their husk, cracked in half and dried to remove the meat. The shell is then carbonized in these long pits, transforming the shell into coconut charcoal, the raw material for activated carbon production.
The first stage in the manufacturing process is to sort the charcoal which we've received from the suppliers.
We remove unburnt shells.
This is done manually using people to pick on what we call a picking belt. The next stage in charcoal processing is where we separate the different particle sizes. Also, there's a large screen mesh included on that process where we remove any large pieces of shell which are usually unburnt shell as well. So a second backup to the initial picking process. The next process is the most important process in the whole manufacture of coconut shell activated carbon. It's what we call the activation process itself.
We feed raw material from the feed end.
We react it with steam at high temperature, around about 850 to 900 degrees centigrade. It looks pretty hot. The red colour generally comes from just the radiant energy from the charcoal itself, infrared.
Then that carbon will discharge from the kiln and it will go to a cooler.
With the activation process complete, we can now water wash, acid wash or impregnate the carbon for use in high-performance applications. This facility was designed and built around our customers' demand for future coconut shell carbon products. We have the latest particle sizing technology to give us consistently tight particle size distribution in our products. The first part of the sizing process is to feed the activated carbon feedstock into purpose-built roller crushers. From the roller crushers, the material discharges automatically into high-efficiency screening systems. These particle sizing systems enable us to produce fine mesh and microgranulated products, critical to the home water filter, tobacco and automotive industries. By using laser particle size analyzers for quality assurance, we also ensure that our process is in control.
The activated carbon that's normally of a quality which would be sold generally in the marketplace, but for Jacobi, this product is just not good enough.
Some amount of dust also can be in the main product. So we have to separate this dust from the main product. So we have a dryer and the deduster connected together.
We make sure that there's absolutely no dust whatsoever in the carbon which goes out to the customer.
This is a very nice factory and I want to be this factory is one of the best factories in the world.
The process is controlled from the very beginning, from the raw material input, from quality assurance, right through to the finished goods going out of the door.
This is only a start. By continuing its manufacturing investments, Jacobi will remain its position as a world leader in coconut shell specialty carbon products.